welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for October 24, 2023. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 7:13 a.m. Central Daylight Time, followed by sunset at 5:56 p.m. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky. Step outside an hour before daybreak. Brilliant Venus is about 30 degrees up in the east-southeast. It rises nearly 4 hours before sunrise and stands in the eastern sky during morning twilight. The morning star is stepping eastward against the distant Leo starfield. Earlier during October, Venus passed Regulus, the constellation's brightest star, and last week, it passed Rho Leonis. Yesterday it passed Chertan. As it moves eastward in front of the stars, it crosses the Leo-Virgo border November 3rd. Jupiter is farther westward. The second brightest star-like body in the sky this morning, the Jovian giant, is over 20 degrees above the western horizon. As opposition approaches on November 3rd, when the planet is closest to Earth and brightest in the sky, it retrogrades in front of Aries, 12.0 degrees to the left of Hamal, the Ram's brightest star. Retrograde motion is an illusion as our faster-moving planet moves between the Sun and a more distant planet. Mercury and Venus retrograde, as well, but their westward motion is from their speed that is faster than Earth. Normally the planets move eastward against the starry background, but Earth's faster velocity seems to make them back up against the distant suns. In 4 days, Jupiter moves between Hamal and Menkar, part of Cetus. For sky watchers with telescopes, Jupiter's great red spot is visible twice today, when it appears at the center of the planet in the southern hemisphere. The first is 1:08 a.m. CDT, when the planet is high in the southern sky. The second appearance, 2 Jupiter days after this morning's sighting, in the western hemisphere occurs, 8:59 p.m. CDT, when the planet is in the eastern sky. Venus and Jupiter bookend a section of the Milky Way with several bright stars, including Sirius, Betelgeuse, Rigel, Procyon, Aldebaran, Pollux, and Capella, half of the dozen brightest stars visible from the mid-northern latitudes. In the evening sky, Mercury and Saturn are not visible. The innermost planet is moving away from superior conjunction to a difficult-to-see evening appearance, while the red planet moves toward solar conjunction next month. The bright moon, 81% illuminated, is in the southeast as night falls. The moon's full phase occurs on the 28th at 3:24 p.m. CDT, before it rises in the western hemisphere. As the sky darkens, Saturn is 9.3 degrees to the upper right of the lunar orb and nearly 20 degrees above the star Fomalhaut, the mouth of the southern fish. For sky watchers with telescopes, the large moon Titan is to the west of the ringed wonder. Not much magnification is needed to see the planet's globe, rings, and this titanic moon. The Saturnian satellite is larger than Mercury and has a thick atmosphere. The moon's color is yellow-orange. During the night, Saturn is farther westward, south 3 hours after sundown. It sets in the west-southwest, 5 hours before daybreak, and over an hour before Venus rises. At an hour after sundown, Jupiter is over 5 degrees above the east-northeast horizon. Wait another hour to see it higher. By then, it is over 15 degrees above the eastern horizon. By midnight, Jupiter is high in the southeast and Saturn is over 20 degrees up in the southwest. Tomorrow morning it again bookends the bright stars of the Orion region with Venus. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.